Bitcoin is dropping. Where is it going? We're going to take a look in the charts right now to see where we might have a turnaround for Bitcoin. What's up, everybody? My name is James with Myself Invested, helping you make the best investment, which is in yourself. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin because Bitcoin is seeing a dump, seeing a crash right now. We don't know where it might be headed, but we're going to take a look at the charts, do a little bit of a Bitcoin price technical analysis, and then I'm going to be giving my Bitcoin price prediction for the next couple of weeks. If this is something that you're interested in and you want to learn more about, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also, if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up as well. Now let's get right into the I'm here looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Actually, let's go to the weekly time frame. And what we see here is a Bitcoin breaking the price, breaking down below this price channel. Now, on a more macro level, what we've got is this trend line. And I like to draw these sometimes on the closes of these weekly time frames. Now, one thing that I've seen from a guy that I follow on YouTube, Craig, I don't know how to pronounce your last name, but I'll link his channel down below in the description. One thing he likes to do is to clone this trend line and then place it on a low. So we've got two highs, we've got one low, and then when we clone it, we could potentially find where the second low would be in this price channel. And so once we've made this, you can see that Bitcoin has a little bit ways to go. But if we were to drop all the way down to this lower bound of this channel on this candle, we would be sitting right around $35,000-ish. $35,000. We haven't seen prices that low since the summer back in July. Now, this would be very devastating to Bitcoin in the short term if we were to see this much volatility to the downside. However, there is a chance that we could see a turnaround before then. Locally right now, we have some support basically where price is right now at around $42,000, $43,000. Now, if price were to break down below that, then I would think that maybe we would see Bitcoin test this local bound, the lower bound of this price channel. One way that I try to maybe confirm this is by using the Fibonacci retracement tool. I'm going to use the wicks for this one. So I've got the low here back in July. I've got the high here that we had back in November. And you can see that we are breaking past the 61.8 level. Still a lot of bearish momentum here, but maybe we get a stop around the 78.6 level. This is a level that Bitcoin has respected in the past on other places in the chart, other places where we've had a pullback. And so I'll be looking heavily around the 78.6 level. And to combine these two concepts, if we were to see the 78.6 level be respected as well as this lower bound of this price channel, we would see the two meet around the beginning of April. Now, is there a chance that both of these two happen and that's the perfect point where we see Bitcoin just turn around? Yes. Is it more or less likely? I would say less likely, but we still want to pay attention to that. Maybe there's a correlation between these two. Maybe that's where we get a jump up, or we might test earlier and then we get a break above. Who knows? But that's why we pay attention to the charts. What I'm going to be looking for in the next couple weeks is where Bitcoin finds support. So if we're able to get a little bit of local support here and bounce back into this trading range, then I will be more optimistic about Bitcoin this market cycle. I still overall believe that Bitcoin is not done, but this move definitely has some people shaking in their boots. So right now, I'm just kind of in a wait and see approach to see where Bitcoin ends up finding support, if it finds support at all. But my price prediction for the next couple of weeks is that it does find support right here around this $40,000 level, these lower $40,000 ranges, and then it bounces back up into the support range. What I'm kind of seeing here is, and I'm going to make another video about this, it's called the Wyckoff method, the distribution and reaccumulation method. So I'm going to be making a video about how this potential move that's forming might be an example of this Wyckoff distribution and reaccumulation phase. And so if that were to play out, then we would see Bitcoin find support somewhere in this area and then bounce back up. So if you want to get updated with that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'll probably make that within the next couple days or so, especially if it plays out. So that would be a very bullish sign for Bitcoin. That's probably where I would add to my position. But again, in the meantime, I'm just kind of in a wait and see approach because there could be a lot more volatility to the downside, as you can see with this lower bound on this price channel, as well as the 78.6 level with the Fibonacci. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, I appreciate you if you hit that subscribe button. I want to make more of these videos. This is just the beginning. So if you're watching this, I really appreciate you tuning in, giving me your time of day. But I really appreciate the fact that you are making an investment in yourself, because again, that is the reason why I'm here at Myself Invested. Until next time, have a good day. Appreciate you. Take care.